Welcome to the channel Dynamax Global. Renewing an Indian passport from Portugal involves a systematic process that ensures your travel document is up to date. Here's a detailed step-by-step guide to help you navigate the process smoothly. Step 1. Gather required documents before starting the application process. Ensure you have the following documents ready. 1. Old passport. Your current passport, original and copies, with the last 2 pages. 2. Proof of address. A valid address proof such as a residence permit, utility bills, or rental agreement. 3. Photographs. Passport-sized photos that meet the specifications. Check the Indian Embassy's website for guidelines. 4. Application form. Duly filled passport renewal form, also known as Form 2. Step 2. Visit the Indian Embassy Consulate website. The renewal process begins by visiting the official website of the Indian Embassy in Lisbon, Portugal. You can access the relevant page here. Indian Embassy in Lisbon Passport Services. Step 3. Fill out the online application form. 1. Visit the online passport application system. Go to the Passport Seva portal. 2. Register, log in. If you are a new user, register on the portal. 2. If already registered, log in using your credentials. 3. Complete the application form. Fill out the form carefully, ensuring all details match your existing passport. 3. Choose the appropriate category, normal, Tatkal, depending on your urgency. 4. Upload documents. You may need to upload scanned copies of your documents. 4. Ensure they are clear and meet the required file size. Step 4. Pay the fee online. After submitting your application, you will be directed to the payment gateway. 1. Choose the payment method. You can pay using a debit, credit card, or through net banking. 2. Fee details. The fees vary depending on the passport type, 36-page or 60-page, and service, normal or Tatkal. 2. Check the fee structure for accurate amounts. Step 5. Book an appointment once the payment is confirmed. 1. Schedule an appointment. Choose a convenient date and time for submitting your documents and biometric data at the Indian Embassy or designated consulate. 2. Print the appointment confirmation. This will be required during your visit. Step 6. Visit the Indian Embassy Consulate on the scheduled date. 1. Carry all documents. Bring the original documents along with photocopies, your old passport, and the printed appointment confirmation. 2. Biometrics. You may need to provide fingerprints and a photograph at the embassy. 3. Submission. Submit the documents for verification. Step 7. Track your application. After submission, you can track the status of your application. 1. Online tracking. Use the Passport Seva tracking tool by entering your application reference number. 2. SMS updates. Opt for SMS updates during the application process. Step 8. Receive the new passport once processed. You can choose to collect the passport in person or have it mailed to your address. The processing time varies, typically ranging from 2 to 6 weeks, depending on the service type. Conclusion: renewing an Indian passport from Portugal involves a few detailed steps, but by following this guide, you can ensure a smooth process. Remember to keep all your documents in order and track your application regularly for updates. The embassy and consulate staff are also available to assist you if you encounter any issues. Thanks for watching this video.